Hi, this is Miss Todoric, and this is my Open a Business and Apply the Marketing Mix lesson. So what is the marketing mix? The marketing mix is consisted of 4 P's, which are product, price, place, and promotion. The product is the good or service being marketed to the target audience. What is your product? What does your product do? Does your product meet an unfilled need or provide an experience? Who is your product's audience? How is your product different from what others offer? The price is the cost of a product or service. To identify a successful price, you want to understand your target audience and their willingness to pay for your product. What is the price range of your product's competitors? What is the price range of your target audience? What price is too high for your audience? What price is too low? What price best fits your target market? The place is where you sell your product and the distribution channels you use to get it to your customer. Finding the right place to market and sell your product is a key factor in reaching your target audience. To decide the best place to market and sell your product, you should consider researching the physical places or digital channels your target audience shops and consumes information. Where will you sell your product? Where does your target audience shop? Promotion is how you advertise your product or service. There are many different ways you can promote your product. Some methods include word of mouth, print advertisements like flyers and business cards, websites, TV commercials, email marketing, display ads, and social media marketing. What is the best time to reach your target audience? What marketing channels are most effective for your target audience? What marketing messages would most resonate with your target audience? What advertising approaches are most persuasive to your target audience? What are some things you like? If you could open a business, what would you open? Meet Rachel, who would like to open Forza. So this is Forza, and this is a student sample created by Rachel. Here's a bio. She's 16 years old. She's creative and always strives to create something that would make people feel good about themselves. She also wants to share her culture and language with others. Her marketing mix, her 4 Ps. She would like to sell hats, t-shirts, and hoodies. She's going to promote on her Instagram page and verbal promotion, word of mouth. Her place is in Mount Vernon, New York, at her home, and her price is $15 for a hoodie, $7 for a hat. Her product, this is a modern and simple brand that fits with everyday wear and is flexible with any activity. Her vision for this brand is to create something that is comfortable using a soft cotton material. The word força means strength in Portuguese. This term on the hoodie symbolizes the inner strength that every individual has within themselves. Originally, she wanted to start coming out with hoodies and hats, then expand into pants. Força means strength. Do you have an idea? If not, would like the product from the bag, and you're going to create your 4 Ps based on your selection. Now it's time to share ideas. Discussion and reflection. Did you like Rachel's business idea? Exit ticket. What are the 4 Ps? The end. Thanks for watching.